This is a review of the Cuisinart Coffee Grinder. You put your coffee beans right up here. I already put 1 scoop in there. I don't store them here. I store them in a jar, but I don't like to store in the plastic. But you do that. You set to coarse is what I usually do, but obviously there's the coarse, medium, and fine depending on what you are doing. And then you set the time at the top right here real easily. It's just a video trying to show you guys. You just take the lid off and it's right here, and then you just pour that into your either coffee French press or your Keurig cup, or maybe directly into your coffee maker. And then this just slides back in there and it's ready for the next use.